Good morning, children. Today we are going to read a very funny poem. The topic of the poem is 1 inch tall. This is a funny poem written by Shale Silverstein. The poem describes the experiences and difficulties that 1 inch tall man would face. Let's read the poem. If you were 1 inch tall, you would ride a worm to school. The teardrop of a crying ant would be your swimming pool. A crumb of cake would be a feast and last you 7 days at least. A flea would be a frightening beast if you were 1 inch tall. Here, the poet is saying that imagine if you were 1 inch tall, you will go to school riding on a worm, and the tear of ant would be your swimming pool. The crumb of cake would be like a feast for you, and it will last for 7 days. And your frightening beast would be a flea. Flea here means worm without wing. Let's read another stanza. If you were 1 inch tall, you would walk beneath the door, and it would take about a month to get down to the store. A bit of fluff would be your bed. You would swing upon a spider's thread and wear a thimble on your head if you were 1 inch tall. In this stanza, the poet wants to say that if you would be 1 inch tall, you can walk beneath the door, and a spider's web would be your swing, and you will be wearing thimble that is worn on the thumb. It will be you will be wearing it on your head. You would surf across the kitchen sink upon a stick of gum. You could not hug your mother, you would just have to hug her thumb. You had run from people's feet in fright, to move a pen would take all night. Here, poet wants to say that the kitchen sink will be your surfing. You will be surfing in the kitchen sink using stick of gun, and you will not be able to hug your mother, you will be hugging her thumb. And you will be frightened of people's feet. You have to be very much aware that they can crumble you with their feet, so you have to be very careful with it. So these activities would be very easy for him to do, but some would be very difficult. And at last, the poet wants to say that it took 14 years for him to write because he was 1 inch tall. Though the poem is very cheerful, and we came to know that the poet was sharing his own experiences.